रजिस्टर वगैरह करना है। कैमरा है सर, अलाउ नहीं है। तो हमारे व्यूअर ने बोला कि आप जा रहे हो तो आप दिखाओ कि किस तरीके से क्या क्या प्रशासन ने किया है अरेंजमेंट। तो हम वही एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि इस तरीके से सारी चीज़ें हो रही है यूट्यूब में हमारे चैनल। नहीं, वो ऑफिशियल पेपर नहीं दिखाऊंगा, ये जो अरेंजमेंट है बस यही है।
ये टिकट तेरे पास है?
हाँ हाँ,
बताना है।
ये हो गया हमारा बैग सैनिटाइज। यहाँ से हमें यहाँ लाइन में लगना है, दूरी बना के। यहाँ सारे लोग खड़े हुए हैं, वेट कर रहे हैं। मेरी ट्रेन एक्चुअली 1 घंटे बाद है, 8 बजे। और टाइम हो रहा है 7:20। आई जस्ट होप कि टाइम से ट्रेन हो जाए, मिल जाए, नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। लाइन अभी फाइनली आगे बढ़ रहा है धीरे धीरे। ये जमशेदपुर का रेलवे स्टेशन है, बैग्स वहाँ देख सकते हैं। वहाँ पर प्रॉपर पता नहीं चेक हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है मेरे को मालूम नहीं है। ठीक है, थैंक यू। Quite a good amount of precautions for travelers like us. हिमांशु सिंह और देवांशु सिंह।
ठीक है, ओके। 4 नंबर में जाइएगा, आगे जाइए, ठीक है ना? डिस्प्ले काम नहीं कर रहा, 4 नंबर में एसी आगे रहेगा, ठीक है?
ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू सर। तो हमने सारी फॉर्मेलिटीज़, ऐसे कुछ खास फॉर्मेलिटीज़ नहीं हुई यहाँ पर। मतलब वो सामने में टिकट इंस्पेक्टर बैठे हुए थे, वो देख रहे थे कि आपकी टिकट कौन सी है, आपका टिकट एक्चुअली है कि नहीं। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ये पूरा खाली है। एक्चुअली द पीपल हु आर ओनली ट्रैवलिंग, ओनली दोज पीपल आर अलाउड, और उसके अलावा किसी और को अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं। So what's up YouTube, hello, namaste, sat sri akal and adab. This is Himanshu and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Soul. What do you see? तो अभी पिछले हफ्ते कोई वीडियो नहीं आया, रियली सॉरी, उसके काम में मैं फंस गया था। और अभी क्या है कि आज अभी मैं निकल रहा हूँ भुवनेश्वर के लिए, मेरे को कुछ काम था वहाँ पर। तो मैंने सोचा कि चला जाए, काम का काम भी हो जाएगा। घूम तो मैं ऐसे भी सकूँगा नहीं, बट हाँ जो काम है वो हो जाएगा। एंड द ओनली रीज़न वाई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वीडियो इज़ सो दैट आप लोग देख सको कि रेलवे किस तरीके से नॉर्मलाइज हो रहा है। कहाँ खाली है, ये देख। ये सुबह सुबह भुवनेश्वर की स्ट्रीट रेलवे स्टेशन के पास ऐसा ही कुछ सेम टाटा नगर स्टेशन का भी हाल था। बाहर का जो स्ट्रीट था वो पूरा खाली, पूरा डेजर्टेड। So this is the room that I got for my stay. The hotel's name is La Franklin as compared to the other hotels and Oyos. I find this to be much better in terms of sanitization and cleanliness. As you can see, these linens are very clean and they seem to be very fresh. I've got some coffee stuff over there. This is the bathroom. It's very clean. Wow, no one's there. It's clean, it's nice. I like this hotel. I saw a couple of very good reviews of this hotel. So I decided, being this hotel a little bit, I guess it's a little bit on the highway, but then yeah, it's fine. It's fine. People should be staying away from the cities right now. It's early morning. It's 4 in the morning, and I'm too sleepy. So probably what I'll do is I'll go take rest, and then in the morning I will catch up with you guys. What's up? It's 10 in the morning. I woke up right now and I'm still a bit sleepy. In the meanwhile, the best thing that I liked about this hotel was, you might have heard about wake up on call service that most of the hotels provide. There was a wake up and breakfast on call service here. They actually woke me up, and then they asked whether they can send me breakfast or not, because previous night I told them to call me beforehand so that I don't miss the breakfast, because breakfast is usually from 7 to 11. So in order so that I don't miss the breakfast, I just asked them to call me and then wake me up and then tell me the menu so that I can order, and they did the same. That's good, that's nice. And this is how it looks from window. It's nice. I don't know, I have been to Bhubaneswar a couple of times, but I never heard of this hotel. So now I'll get fresh, otherwise I'll get late for my work. I'll get fresh and I'll catch up with you guys later. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. सो अभी मेरे को जो काम था मैं वो काम करने जा रहा हूँ, तो मेरे को उसमें आई गेस अराउंड 2 to 3 आवर्स लग जाएगा. और एक बार वो काम हो जाएगा तो मैं देखता हूँ, अगर होटल वाले अलाउ करेंगे तो आगे का मैं वहाँ पर जो लॉन है और गार्डन है वहाँ जाके मैं वीडियो शूट करता हूँ. फिर आपको मैं सारी चीज़ें बताता हूँ कि ट्रेन से ट्रैवल वगैरह मैंने कैसे किया. आई थिंक मेरा कैब आ गया है. So I came to my younger brother's hostel, and this is the kind of art that I saw over here. And this is the most beautiful art that I have seen in a boys' hostel. Whoever are you, Akash? Good job. This looks like a Snapchat alien filter guy. Oh, 1,30,000. अनुभव बस्सी, माय गॉड. और उसमें हाइड्रा का साइन बना हुआ है. कितनी सारी बाइक्स पड़ी हुई हैं लोगों की यहाँ पर. धूल खा रही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये देखो. So this was one of the other works that I had. तो ये हो गया. अब यहाँ से वापस हम जाएंगे अपने होटल और फिर वहाँ जाके मैं आपको आगे की सारी डिटेल्स बताता हूँ. Hi guys, so I just finished my work in the afternoon and I came back and I slept because I was too much tired and it was very sunny and hot outside. Currently it's October. This is the weather that I was not expecting here to have. But then, yeah, it's fine. I just got tired and I came back and I slept. So regarding the details of the train travel, currently if you are traveling, you're the only one who is allowed inside the railway station, and if along with you, if any of your relatives or any of your friends are coming to see you off, they are not being allowed inside. So that's a very good step. And secondly, they are cleaning the trains at every major station. Trains are operational, not all of the trains are running, I believe, as far as I have seen. There are only a couple of trains for one destination to us. For example, from Jamshedpur to Bhubaneswar, if there were 4 or 5 trains earlier, so currently they are running only 2 trains, and that too in each and every compartment. For example, I booked a seat in the first class. I'm like in AC1. So in AC1 there are 6 seats, out of which only 4 are being allotted, and not all the 6. So 2 seats are left empty. I guess that's a measure they're taking to support the social distancing norm that the government has laid out. Cleanliness is on point. I didn't see any sanitization at point. In Bhubaneswar I didn't see that. In Tatanagar also I didn't see that. I think in other major big stations they might be doing it, but not in any of these 2 railway stations inside the train that I saw it. And apart from that, if you're traveling, I think it's completely safe until you take responsibility of yourself. Obviously, if you have been allotted any seat, carry a disinfectant spray with it, spray it everywhere that you think that you're going to touch, and once you're done, I think then you're good to go. Currently in the AC compartments, they're not giving you any bedroll or anything. You have to carry everything by yourself. That's also a very good step. And while leaving and entering the stations, they are having mandatory temperature checks, hand sanitization, and your luggage sanitization and everything. So I think my experience was it was quite a lot different, because it's been years that I have used trains. But then, yeah, I think it's safe if everyone takes this as a responsibility of keeping each other safe rather than going haphazard about it. Then I think it's completely safe. My experience was good. Talking about the hotel, so this is La Franklin Hotel. I'll give it a total rating of 3.5 out of 5 because of the food. I didn't like the food as much as the hospitality factor. Yeah, considering the safety norms that these guys are following, it's very good. They sanitized our luggage and made us wash our hands and sanitize it at every point we enter and exit the hotel. So that's good. I didn't see much of the hotels doing that. So I think, yeah, that's it. I don't have much battery left on this GoPro. I don't know whether I'll be able to record the returning journey to Jamshedpur or not, but then yes, I'll try to do it with my phone. And in case if I'm not able to do it, I think it's better I'll end the vlog over here. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, do hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe, and never say goodbye, because one fine day we'll meet again. And if you have still watched the video till here, please go ahead and subscribe. And like I am a small creator, I know, but then it takes a lot of hard work to make videos, considering the fact that you have to manage your personal life, you have to manage making videos, and you have to manage your work also. So yeah, I'll really appreciate if you guys can keep supporting as you do. Thank you.